DM guys, welcome to SMC Tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step guide on how to update your profile on SMC DAO. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find our content helpful, you can support our channel by buying our educational token, WikiCat. WikiCat is built on the Binance Smart Chain network. The contract address of WikiCat will be in the description. Alright, let's dive right into the tutorial. So as you can see, we already have SMC DAO app installed on our phone and our account is already set up. But if you don't have the app installed in your phone, you will have to actually go to your Play Store or your App Store to download and install the app. So after the app is installed, you will have to set up your account. We have a step-by-step guide on how to do that. Alright, so for us, our account is already set up, right? We just want to learn how to update our profile after setting up our account. Alright, so the first step is to launch the SMC DAO app. Alright, so once you launch the app, you see your home screen. So from here, you can see we have a number of tabs, right? So select profile. Alright guys, so this is your corner. This is your private space on this app. This is where you see your personal informations. So here you can view your points, your badges, your referrals, and other personal details. Alright, so to update your profile, select view profile. Alright, so you can do a number of updates here, like changing your profile picture, changing your name, updating your bio, changing your gender, and you can see that these informations are in like sections. Right, so here you have the basic information, here you have the contact information, and we have socials. Alright, so most of this information are actually editable, and I'm going to be showing you how to update some of the information you can see here. So we're going to start by updating our profile picture. So as you can see, we do not have any profile picture, right? So to upload a profile picture, select the camera icon, select upload from gallery, select the picture you want to upload. You can actually resize it if you want to, and then select the check sign. Alright, so we have uploaded our picture. To finish the process, select the check option. Alright, so our picture has been successfully updated. So next we'll be editing our basic information. So select the pencil icon. Alright, so to change our full name, tap the box, wipe, and then input our new name. Alright, so next we're going to update our bio. Alright, so we can also change our gender. So depending on what your gender is, you can choose from any of these options. Alright, you can change your date of birth, select the month, June, select the day, and then here select the year. Right, so once you're done, select apply. Okay, you can input your occupation, type your occupation, and then select. So here you have your country. Just type in your country's name and then select. Input your city, Lagos. Alright, here you have to paste your WikiCat wallet address. So you will have to go over to your Penny wallet or whatever wallet you're using, copy your wallet address and select paste. Alright, so once you're done filling up all the boxes, right, select check. Alright, so you can see our basic information has been successfully updated. Alright, so we'll go down to contact details. So there's a limit to what you can edit here. You cannot edit or update your SMC ID or your email address because these are unique identifiers. They are the primary means of identification and are essential for verifying your account. So you cannot update or edit them. You can only update and edit your phone number and your place of worship. So to edit your contact details, select the pencil icon, input your phone number, select the box, input your number, select your place of worship. So once you're done, select the check icon. Alright, so you can see our contact details have been successfully updated. So over here, which is the last section, we have our social account. So we can impute our social account details. So by selecting the pencil icon, you can impute your Twitter account, SMC tutors. Over here, you can impute your Instagram handle, SMC tut. Then here you impute your Discord ID. Alright, so once you're done, select the check icon. Alright, so you can see our socials have been updated. Alright guys, so it's that simple and easy to update your profile on SMC DAO app. Right, so we've come to the end of today's tutorial. If you have questions concerning the tutorial, please drop your questions in the comment section. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching the tutorial video. See you in another tutorial. Bye.